think this is 99 to 2013 Chevrolet GMC cable adjustment. We can't get this thing in the first gear. We blew the trans, so it's only got first and second, and we've never been able to shift it all the way down. So you're going to need a pick, the pliers, and an extra one of these or two. These are what they look like. You can't, I don't think they sell them separately, so just pay someone to go to the junkyard yourself, or find someone at the pick and pull. When those guys pulling their own parts, say, I'll give you $1 or $2 if you could pull these out for me. They won't charge you. You can fit it in your bag. So you're going to slide this barrel back, sort of like loading I think like cocking a shotgun. We're going to pop this off carefully, and we're going to show you where it goes in. It goes inside this piece here. See right here where we're going to center, where that little tab is, right there, my thumb is. That little piece is going to go over the tab, that little H. It's going to go over the tab when you put it back in. And these threads here are not to thread it, they're to hold the clip in. The clip has some threads on it itself, so that's how it's going to go. And if you can't get park, you're going to push this in, and actually the transmission itself goes forward, the shifter lever goes forward. If you can't get it in first or second, pull it backwards, and that's actually going to pull the transmission backwards. So the way you pull it or push it is the way the transmission is going to go. Transmission lever goes directly forward to park, directly back to first. We still haven't been able to get this right. We can get second gear, but we can't get park. So we're going to see what we can do again, and this is how easy it is to do. Take the pick. We're going to pick it off carefully. See if I can do it by hand. And if you break it, you can still kind of use it, because this clip is, this collar is going to hold it in. And that one's still broke. So this one we need to push it forward because we can't get to park. So we're going to push it in, put the clip on there. And one thing here too to note, it's got threads. If you pull too far, you won't have the threads, so this thing won't stay on. So back and forth. A little lube wouldn't hurt it over there because there's a piece of metal. And here's what I'm talking about, the no threads. You don't want that far out because there's nothing to clip to. And then you're supposed to be doing this while the car's in neutral. This truck is jacked up. We got just a little bit less, a little bit more threads. We got to try to get this to park. If I can't get second, that's fine. We'll deal with it later. At least we don't need to move the truck. Put the clip in. Make sure it gets caught over those little tabs you're seeing right here. This camera ain't good close, far away. You can see the little tab. And it's got to go in here with this little tab. So you might need to take your pick and bend this little H piece up a little bit. So it'll go over the tab. Just a little bit. This is plastic. And that's all you're going to do. So she's locked in. You can slide this barrel connector over there. If you can't figure out how the barrel goes, let's look at it here. See the notch and the notch? That's it. We're not going to do that now. We're going to see if she's got first or drive or whatever. Transmission's right over there. So can we see it? I'll show you to it in a minute. There it is. That's going to make the shifter lever go forward. So you're looking at the bell housing there, so it's going to go forward. When you pull it backwards, it's going to go down some. So we're going to have it in neutral to do. You can take your little channel locks and lock it over. And that's what's going to happen. And then slide it over. Hopefully we got it good enough to start. So we pulled it back a little bit. We could get down to second. We could never do that. But now it doesn't feel like it's getting in park, or just isn't showing it. So we're going to try to adjust it just a little bit more. As long as we get down to second, we could keep it in second gear and drive it with the slipping third and fourth.